All right, I'm here with Eduardo from AVID. G'day, Eduardo.
Good day.
Nice to meet you, mate. These guys actually have one of our Thunderbolt docks set up as part of their workflow. And I guess I just wanted to have a quick chat with Eduardo about technology and how connectivity works and how you're using the product.
Definitely. So nowadays with the new computers, they're getting more compact. They have less interfaces for us to be able to connect with what we need, hard drives, multiple hard drives, sometimes multiple networks, especially when you're working with audio. Sometimes you'll have a dedicated network for running audio over IP and another network for running internet or
so it's
other information.
A real busy situation.
Yes, exactly. So the more complex the facilities are, the more connectivity that you need for different interfaces and hard drives.
Awesome.
You need to get a way to get in and out of your computer. And so this dock is a great way for us to do that, because then we can connect multiple networks. We can have, sometimes another an Ethernet connection straight into the computer, and then we can use the dock to do another form of connection. We can mult out for multiple USB-C, USB 3 connections as well. If we need additional screens, we have HDMI as well. So it's definitely very useful for us, whether we're using a Mac Pro or a laptop, which is what we have over here. It's definitely gives a lot of flexibility, and it makes us not have to disconnect and reconnect things. We can just leave our stations, set up and do our workflows without having to think much about it.
Eduardo, that's exactly what we'd like to hear. We'd love to hear that some of our technology is helping musicians and creative people just get down to work and not have to worry about some of the outside stuff. It's glad that we can solve a little piece of the problem.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, awesome. Eduardo, thank you so much, mate.
My pleasure.
Have a great show.
You as well.